In this video, we will discuss adjusting the timer on a CP5 or CP5i control pad. To access the timer, press the Timer Accessory Mode button. To adjust the timer, press the Adjustment Function button. You will know that you are in the adjustment mode when a dot appears next to the time and the up and down arrows as well as the Adjustment Function button light up. Use the up and down arrows to adjust the time, pressing and holding the arrows to quickly adjust, then tapping the arrows to set the precise time. Save the time by pressing and holding the desired preset until the control pad beeps. Notice that the preset now displays the newly programmed time. Setting the timer to 0 will put the timer into a stopwatch mode. Press the Adjustment Function button to exit the adjustment mode. To start the timer, press the desired countdown time. The timer will count down to 0. Beep and reset. To stop the timer, press the same soft key again. Notice how the time automatically resets. There is no way to pause, then resume the countdown. The stopwatch function is used the same way as the countdown function. Press the soft key to start the stopwatch. Then press the same soft key to stop the stopwatch. The ending time will be displayed on the screen. Pressing the stopwatch button again will start the count at 0. Press the chair icon to exit the timer mode and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.